Dr. Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, joins us now. Kim, I guess a lot of producers are asking you, how low will wheat prices go?
And I start out by saying I've been in this business almost 40 years, and I believe these are the most uncertain times that I've experienced. You go back to February 1st, the wheat price is around $7.50. Between or before February 20, I'd have probably put the price range for wheat from $7 to $8.50 with the low price at $6. After the 20th, and the wheat prices were $8 on the 20th, I think I'd put that range from $9 to $11 with a bottom at $8, maybe $7.50, but we've got a higher level of prices right now, and I believe it's going to hold at least through our harvest.
So what are you looking at in the market? What factors to kind of determine this price range?
Well, I think the big deal right now is supply. Now, there's some things going on with demand. There's a few countries that are hoarding wheat. If you look at world ending stocks, they're projected to be 10.3 billion bushels. That's down from 10.9 billion bushels in 2019 and an average of 37.9 billion bushels. You look at the stocks to use ratio, 35.8%. That's down from 39.8 in 19 and an average of 37.9%. You look at Ukraine, last year they produced 1.2 billion bushels. Their 5-year average is 1 billion bushels. Estimates say that they'll harvest or lose somewhere between 25 and 50%. So that's from around 300 million bushels to 600 million bushels off the market. Russia produces about 2.9 billion. Who knows what we're going to lose on that? But we're going to lose some wheat and maybe up to 600 million bushels.
Let's talk about how the world market is now reacting to that news that Russia and Ukraine could have a significantly lower output with their crop.
Well, the market adjusts and the world adjusts and the market works. You look at India, I think that's the big news, and a lot of people are talking about that. India has been positioning itself to get in the export market over the last 5 years. They put investments in infrastructure, supply, producing and maintaining a better quality product.
Let's talk about the market factors that have the most impact on prices.
I think you've got to talk about supply. How much are we going to lose out of Ukraine and Russia, and how much we're going to get out of the rest of the world. So I think the big factor for 22-23 is the exportable supply. Now, it's possible we got the wheat in storage in Ukraine, Russia, and other places, but we, like you got, Kazakhstan comes out of the Black Sea, Romania comes out of the Black Sea, Belarus exports out of the Black Sea. So we could have stocks, but just not exportable stocks. I think that's the big thing we got to watch.
A lot to keep in mind. What guidance do you have for producers?
I think just do what you do best. Concentrate on producing a quality crop. I believe the price is going to stay relatively high at least through this next harvest, and I believe it's the 23-24 marketing year before we can get back to anything of normal.
Okay, Kim, thanks a lot for your great information. We'll see you next week.